Good morning, Junior 5. Today we are going to talk about approximation. What is the meaning of approximation? Approximation is like rounding or closest number. This is the sign for the approximation, okay? What is the meaning of it? Approximation means I want to make the number easy to say, which means instead of saying I bought a t-shirt for 45.8, I want to round the number to say I bought it for 45 or 46. How I will know it's 45 or 46? Let's see on the number line. Here I have 45 and 46 and I bought the t-shirt for 45.8. Where is the 45.8 on the number line? Here is 45.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is the 45.8. 45.8. Is it closer to 45 or 46? 46. So instead of saying I bought it for 45.8, I will say I bought it for 46. Okay? Let's see how we will do this. Remember we took before two teams, the weak and the strong team. Same and push. The weak team is I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in it. The strong team I have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay? Let's see how we will make this. Here he wants me to write the place value of the 5 in all of this. Let's remember this here. I have to write the key. This is units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. The 5, its place is the thousands. Excellent. Here, where is the 5? Here it is. This is units, tens, hundreds. And here, this is tenth, hundredth. So the place value, we remember that place value means the house. The 5 here is tenth. Okay? And try the rest by yourself and check it. Okay? Let's move to question 2. Question 2. Approximate each of the following numbers to the nearest hundredth. What is the meaning of hundredth? Hundredth is the same if I say 0.01, the same if I say 1 over 100, the same if I say 2 decimal places. If he asks me to approximate to the nearest any of these, all of these means hundredth. Okay? How I will do it? Let's see. Where is the hundredth? I must know the place. Where is the hundredth? Which number? Which digit? This 8. Yes, so I will go and make my wall here. He's asking about the hundredth, so I will put my wall here. And see, the 1 is from the strong or the weak team? 1 is from the weak team. So, will it do anything to the 8? No, it's weak. It will keep it the same. So, I will keep all of this the same. And this one, I will switch it to 0. Any digit after the wall, switch it to zeros. So, it will be 38.18. And the 1 becomes 0, which is meaningless. Okay? Let's see the next one. 85 and 13 over 100. I must change it to decimal first. Here I am lucky I have it over 100. So how many moves I will do? 1, 2. Here is my point. So I have it like this. 85.13. He wants me to approximate it to the nearest hundredth. I will put my wall. Do I have anything here? No. So I will keep it as it is. Okay. Let's move to the next one. 4 and 3 over 50. Here, it's over 50. I must prepare it first. 50 is a friend of what? The 5 is a friend of who? 2. Excellent. So I will do times 2 up and down. Here it will be 4 and 6 over 100. From where I get the 100, 5 times 2, 10. And I have one more 0, so I will kick it out. Okay. Change it to decimal. I will make 2 moves. so it will be 4.06. Approximate to the nearest hundreds. Here is my hundreds. I will put my wall. Nothing here, so I will keep it as it is. Okay. The next one, 2 and 1 over 8. How I will do it? Here, 8 is a friend of 125 times 125 times 125. Okay, remember the magic box? This one, 5 times 2 equal 10, 4 times 25 equal 100, and 8 times 125 equal 1000. Okay, so I will write 2 and 125 over 1000 equal 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2.125. Okay, he wants me to approximate it to the nearest hundredth. Where is the hundredth? Here it is. Okay, the 5 is from the weak or the strong? Excellent, the strong. So it will give the 2 a push, and a push in math means plus 1. So the 2 will be 3 and the 5 will be 0. So it will be 2.13, and this 5 is 0, meaningless. Okay. Let's see letter H. Here I have 12.54 plus 11.139. How I will do this? First I will make the addition. How I do the addition for the decimals? It's very easy. The most important thing, I will put point under point like this, and it's plus, and start writing the digits under the digits, each place under each other. First I have 12, start writing like this, from the point, away from the point, 12.54, and here I have 11.139. I have to make balance, don't leave any place empty. Let's start the addition. 0 plus 9, 9, 4 and 3, 7, 5 and 1, 6, 2 and 1, 3, 1 and 1, 2. So the answer is 23.679. Okay, let's approximate it. He wanted to the nearest hundredth, so here is my wall. The 9 is strong or weak? Strong, so it will give the 7 a push, yani plus 1, which means it will be 23.68, and the 9 becomes 0, which is meaningless. Okay. Okay, try the rest and check your answers. Let's move to question 3. Here, complete each of the following approximated to the nearest thousands. Thousands means 0.001, 1 over 1000, or 3 decimal places. They are all the same meaning. Okay. Let's see. Where is the thousands here? This is units, tens, tenth, hundredth, thousandths. So here is the thousands. I will put my wall. 5 is strong or weak? Strong. Excellent. So it will give the 6 a push. So it will be 7. It will be 35.297, and 0. No meaning. Okay. Let's see C. 14,983 divide 1000. Divide with, I will do what? I will do the moves. I will start my point from here. He writes divide 1000, so I will make 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 14.983. He wanted approximated to the nearest thousands. Where is the thousands place? Here it is. So nothing after it, so I will keep it as it is. Okay. D. 4 and 3 over 4 minus 2 and 3 over 200. I must prepare it first. Here, Shall every time I will do the steps for 3 over 4 and a half? No, I have another magic box, I must memorize it. Half means, we know that the half means 0.5 and the quarter means 0.25 and 3/4 means 0.75 and the 1 over 8 means 0.125 and 1 over 5 means 0.2. So we must memorize it to make it easy to answer these. Here 4 and 3 over 4. I will not do the steps. Instead of doing times 25 times 25, no, I know that 3 over 4 is 0.75, so it's 4.75 minus 2 and 3 over 200. I must prepare it first. I can't do it when it is over 200. So 2 is a friend of, from the other magic box, is a friend of 5. So times 5 up and down. So it will be 2 and 15 over 2 times 5, 10, and I have 2 zeros, kick them up. Okay, let's change it to decimal. 1, 2, 3 moves, and here this cup is empty, I will put a 0. So it will be minus 2.015. Get the answer. I will do the same like what I did in the addition. I put the numbers under each other. Here, point under point and minus, and start writing the numbers. Big number minus small number. 4.75 minus 2.015, and I will do the balance and start doing the minus. 0 minus 5, I can do it, go and borrow. This will be 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 0, 7, 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 2.735, okay? Approximated to the nearest what thousandths. Here is the thousandths place, nothing here, so I will keep it as it is. Okay, F. Approximate to the nearest thousands. Tens, hundredths, thousands. Here, the 7 is strong or weak? Strong, so it will give the 9 a push. When the 9 take a push, I will make it plus 1. When I do 9 plus 1, it will be 10, so it will be 0 and another plus 1. 1 and 1, 2. Here this one the same, and this is the same, and this 7 will be 0, so it will be 9.12 and 2 zeros, meaningless. Okay, and here I forgot the 0 for the 8, it's meaningless too. Okay.